Hello! Welcome to Easy to Learn channel. Today we're going to talk about common mistakes language learners make and how to correct them. Let's get started. He go to school every day. False. He goes to school every day. I am go to the store. False. I am going to the store. She don't like apples. False. She doesn't like apples. He is teacher. False. He is a teacher. They is my friends. False. They are my friends. I have 20 years old. False. I am 20 years old. Question: what other mistakes do you make? If you'd like more videos like this, let me know in the comments.